Buyer of GE 11/15, 2024. 195 calls for 110. So GE calls being bought, guys. GE calls hitting super option scanner and GE. So we see GE guys on super option scanner. So GE hitting the tape, guys. GE hitting the tape. A GE. GE hitting the tape, guys. GE hitting the tape. General Electric. GE, guys. GE. Futures down 22.5. Put GE calls here on the right. PDD continues to move up. GE getting smoked on earnings. Oh, they had earnings, so I wouldn't be buying these. Traded 6 million shares so far today. These are the 195s at 108 in our super option scanner. GE getting crushed on earnings. GE Aerospace. So exciting news coming from the Alpha Shark team, guys. We're bringing more moderators on board. Get excited for that. You'll have an opportunity to watch more traders trade different trading styles with real money. And we will start that soon. Hopefully next week. ADT, they bought some of those calls yesterday. Do. SHLS actually up a couple pennies today. ERJ down, Nvidia down, Saxel down, Netflix 766 in Netflix. Jets puts. So we see puts in the Jets and SLV. Benny and the Jets. 0.72 took a point to position in SHLS. And the stock's up a whopping 6 cents. 6 cents. Why can't it rally more? I just need it to go up like $10. STLD had earnings. I think that one got smoked too. Down $4. Triple M had earnings. I know Mark was talking about a trade in Triple M, Iron Condor and Triple M. A triple M Iron Condor. Devin up a penny. 7 pennies. Snapchat hitting. Nike hitting. AVTR hitting. PDD hitting. IREN and Newmont. So 6 signals from Option Hacker. It's a lot of signals considering the fact. So 6 signals hitting the tape. We are chilling. Outright chillin'. Not placing a new trade. I don't think I really. Oh, I took some trades yesterday. ERJ was the loser. SONUN was a winner. Didn't take them a lot of positions yesterday, but I did take some. November. How many more days of October do we have left? Straddle still $20, so implying a 20-point move. Futures could be down 45, or they could be unchanged. Halloween. GE calls hitting the tape. That's post earnings. I don't like to take stuff that's post earnings. ERJ coming back. CORZ hit profits, guys, on those from Moonshot Scanner. So CORZ was good for a winner. They say your Lent is late. They might have to pick up the gates. RKT calls being bought. Next week, RKT calls. They're buying the 16 puts in RKT for next week. 2,800 these trade here in RKT. Short stock restricted in RKT if you're looking for selling puts, guys. So Moonshot Scanner. Buyer of RKT. 11-1, 2024. NUE is getting crushed. 57 in RKT. RKT puts trading here, guys. RKT puts trading here. RKT puts. CVS down 82 cents. Glow down. CHGN down. I guess CHGN technically my biggest dollar amount risk position. I'm going to go 220 bid for the D's 145s. So CHGN 1220 2024 145 calls. I am 220 bid. I went bid and they went bid in front of me. The old Churchill Downs. Thankfully, I didn't take any Macy's calls. I hit my profit target in Macy's and I took those off. PLTR trading here, small. Mark would have had a nice earnings trade in Triple M. He's talking about doing an Iron Condor. 130, 125 put spread and the 140, 145 call spread. $3 for that thing. So Mark is working on a lot of earnings trades. If you guys like to take earnings, we're going to keep track of all of Mark's earnings trades. He would have had a winner from yesterday. I asked him, like, I'll put it on. Tell me you like it. And he's like, I like it a little bit, but not. I want to call it as a signal. And I'm like, okay, wait for the next one. I think we could sell off for the next couple weeks, and then get that rally. Everybody thinks we're just going to go up because that's what we do. Is we usually go up. What about if we did the opposite? Yeah, MMM has had a wild movement today. 15 minutes ago, guys. Starting next week, we are going to have new moderators on board. Hopefully, we can start them on Monday. Very excited for that. We're bringing you 3 of what I think is the best moderators out of over 200 people that applied for the position. I had to say no to a lot of people. Do 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 do. Da-na-na-na. No filled orders today. RTX G down to 88 cents. Even though it's post earnings, let's get GE is on the back tester. So on super option scanner. And after this, guys, we do have, I'm going to let Brian know, we have so at 11 o'clock, I'll be discussing the back tester. And we will be doing a live boot camp in January. So I'm excited for that. In Fort Lauderdale. It'll be our first ever mastermind. So you don't have to go anywhere. We'll be doing that in here. Give me something to trade. Too much slowness. CELH trading here. Calls being sold. Yin trading here. Futures could be down 50 based on the at the money straddle. We have Tesla earnings this week. The Tesla at the money straddle. Tesla's 216. Straddle for the week is a 215 straddle. So 14-point move implied in Tesla between now and the end of the week. 14-point move implied in Tesla between now and the end of the week. 14-point move in Tesla between now and the end of the week. ERJ down 77 cents. I don't even know what ERJ does. Let's look at that on the daily chart. And I'm going to have to work on getting my charts back. I was just so happy to get in a Thinkorswim. All right, we can go in here. You can put ATR on the bottom. If you want, we could go to Ichimoku. Click this. Go 5 green. 5 pink. 5 green. 5 pink. And then blue. okay. We want to go to style drawings. We want to go to the arrow. Thank you. We want to get rid of volume on the bottom, so I have to click this. Equities, we do want extended. No, we don't want volume. We want appearance or general appearance. Fill those bad boys up. Okay, looks pretty good now. And I want to style, save style. New York, October. And I should be able to just load that style on every chart. It didn't put Ichimoku though. I don't know why I didn't save the Ichimoku or RSI. So I'll just do it again. Oil. Oil. Save the setup. Yes, we can overwrite it. 8 minutes ago, guys. Not a lot of activity today. A lot of trades. I just didn't take a lot of them. GE calls, Nike calls, Snapchat calls, Newmont calls. I'm just going to add our favorites down here. Tesla at the money straddle. Plan about an 8-point move on Tesla on earnings. At RSI, relative strength index. Surprisingly, the first hour and a half of the day, I've not done anything. It's very rare for me not to do anything, but, you know, I just take the signals. And then we'll be talking about Arubas. That sounds fun. We'll be talking about, in a minute, guys, we're going to talk about the boot camp, which will be in Fort Lauderdale. And I'm going to see if I can fly some of the other moderators down there for the boot camp. Depending on how many people we have turn out. All right, that one is set up. So we're getting there. We have 3 left. Now all I'm doing is loading the style. What up, Mike? And putting an RSI down here again. When you uninstall Thinkorswim, the gremlins come over. The adult gremlins come over and take your everything. Newmont calls are up to 60. As we talked about, those were bought at 58. Good. Futures rallying back, only down 19 now. So you don't have to go anywhere, guys, for the boot camp. I'll text Brian and let him know that I'm going to go 30 minutes over in the next 2 days. So let me text him right now. Futures rallying. Can't keep a good market down. No crypto, guys. I steer away from crypto, futures, and forex. Um, there's a lot of regulation with those kind of traders. As option traders, not as much. So options stock are not as regulated. Crypto, we all know it's a kind of negative tone. Ooh, crypto. I don't even know how to trade crypto. I mean, you can trade anything. I can trade anything, but I've never traded crypto. Like I put on positions. I've never like traded it, I guess, like actively in and out in a day kind of thing. But it should trade like anything else. Technically, you just got to find a technical indicator you like. I'm an Ichimoku Cloud guy, MACD, RSI. Plot those with each other, and then you're ready to go. Got one more chart to do, then we're gonna go through the boot camp and talk about this with you guys. I mean, you can trade anything. It's just that you'd probably trade Bit, and I don't know the volatility of Bitcoin. Everything has an applied volatility. So I don't know what time frame you trade Bit. Like I would probably use a triple confirmation system, using Ichimoku Cloud to trade Bitcoin. So I'd probably be looking at like a daily, hourly, 15, and then like a 5-minute break. But like I said, I've never actively traded Bitcoin. But maybe we have someone that does, and I'm fine with that. And our charts are now good. I have to add this thing. Two minutes ago, guys, we're going to go through the boot camp, and then I think Evan wanted me to, I don't know how I should do my call to action today. CORZ started moving straight up. AVTR kind of hanging out. Bases down. PLTR higher. OPCH higher. Run unchanged. Run is an RSI of 26. I almost bought more run calls yesterday at 20 cents. Well, that's the ATR. I want the RSI. So the RSI of run is 26. Switch on straight down. CSTM, Nova 16, CSTM, Nova 16s, guys. CSTM, Nova 16s trading here. See how we are on the back tester. CSTM, they have earnings tomorrow morning, guys, so I might take an earnings trade for $100. It is a 10 out of 10. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to see if I can buy $8 spread for a quarter. This is Constellation. Oh, I've traded Constellation, lost money before. There are weekly options. I would like the 15-16 call spread at 25 cents. Doesn't look like it's going to get me in at that price point, but I'm going to put a bid in here for 4 contracts. So this is CSTM, 10-25, 2024, 15-16 bull call spread for a 25-cent debit. Not filled. 4 contracts. Risking 100 to make 300. Yeah, I'll leave it in all day and see what happens. All right, so we're gonna go through the boot camp. I'm gonna stop the recording.